안녕하세요, 여러분. Thank you so much for tuning in again. By the way, did you check out the past topic exam that I mentioned last time? I really hope you did. Today we are moving on to the second topic winning tip. Study topic vocabulary first. Topic vocabulary? Now you might be wondering, is topic vocabulary really different from the words Korean use in everyday life? When it comes to the topic 1, the topics it covers are things like food, shopping, transportation, weather, school life, and hobbies. So yes, the vocabulary is very practical and often used in real conversations. But here is the thing. We are all busy. There's just not enough time to study all the words that native Korean speakers use in everyday life. That's why, if you want to prepare for topic efficiently, I really recommend focusing on the vocabulary that appears frequently on the exam. Topic tends to repeat the same kinds of words, especially the high-frequency ones. The words that appears in the last test, there's a good chance they will show up again next time. That means the best vocabulary to study first and also to review right before the test are these high-frequency words. So when you study topic vocabulary, try to find a book that organizes the words by frequency. That way you can focus on what really matters first. And here's another important point to study vocabulary. Make sure to learn uniquely Korean expressions and words that don't always translate directly into other languages. For example, the phrase 잘 먹겠습니다 literally means I will eat well, kind of like saying thanks for the food. It's a cultural expression and topic loves to include these things. Words or expressions like this don't always have a direct translation in English, but they carry very important meaning in Korean. And that's exactly why they appear in the topic exam. Topic wants to know you can understand and use them properly. That's it for today's tip. I hope it gave you a little more clarity and motivation for your topic study. Remember, small steps every day really do add up. You are doing great, so keep going. I will be back next time with the topic winning tip number 3. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for listening. And as always, I'm cheering you on. 여러분, 할 수 있어요. 화이팅! 감사합니다. 다음에 또 봐요.